This is a review of my Panasonic tumble dryer. So, cool thing about it, open it up, okay, and we're going to load it. Important to note, right? See this owl monitors energy, that's kilowatt hours used, okay? So we're on about 210 kilowatt. Now it's loaded, okay? So you can see, good mix of stuff. We put the similar stuff together. The owl is at 225 because I think the fridge just came on. Features to note, cool lint filter here, clean every time. Nice, down it goes, locks there. This lint filter down here pops out here. You clean that about once every 2 weeks or 10 cleaning cycles. Now the really cool part, close it, turn it on, turn it on. Loads of features. I'm having it on cover dry here, right? If I open it, there's a light in there, which is really cool. You see there's an LED light in there. So we close that and we turn it on. Okay? I'll come back in a couple of minutes and it'll work out how much time's left. The important thing to note, look at the owl, okay? 419, okay? Okay, here's the owl at 710 watts. Temperature is 16.9, which is quite cool. You can hear it's quite silent. So the amount of time that's elapsed, it's been clever enough to tell you. So one of the big features here is it's really quiet. And it's quite cold. You can see the owl has been in the room for the last while. 16.9 degrees. So you can see loads of features on it. Okay, I have on Cover Dry Plus. 1400 stands for the spin that came out of this thing, which is 1400 from its sister here. You can set it to the finish cycle and the drying level. So loads of program options, shirts, outdoors, wool, rapid, lingerie, etc. Fantastic. So if I pause this, it stopped, open it up, see the light is in there, okay. As you can see, the owl has dropped to 225. About 500 watts. So close it, a nice close, start it again. And there's a gentle dry option, anti-crease, eco, which is on. And if we turn off eco, no, it won't do it because it's locked, okay? This owl is ramping up again. So, summary, low energy, very quiet.